Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Studios. So I pulled this Schwinn Stingray out of my bike collection. I bought this 17 years ago when my son was born, and it sat in my bedroom for probably 10 years, and I finally got sick of it being a clothes rack and put it down the basement. And I had a leak in my bathroom, and I went down the basement about, I don't know, 6 weeks later, and this was sitting next to my drum kit, completely soaked with old drywall and water. It had been leaking on it for weeks before I realized it. So it still had the tags on it. I've moved since then, and no one's really ever rode it. The tires are basically brand new. It was been in the garage. It's dusty. I dusted it off. It's got some surface rust on areas like the this here, and so I am going to fit an 80cc kit in here, and instead of using the crimp on the sprocket that clamps onto I'm going to use one of these hub clamps. I'm trying to grab it. It's being stubborn. So I'm going to use this hub clamp right here. And that clamps right on there. And then your sprocket clamps or screws onto it. So I have one more 80cc bike kit in my inventory, and guess we're going to try to put it on this bike. So without further ado, I'm going to go dig the kit out. It's kind of buried in the back of the barn here, and we're going to get started with that now. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is get the back tire off, and I want to clean up the rim and the spokes and get any surface rust off. Get that cleaned up. Let's see, righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. I might have to take off this this big ass chain guard. The chain guard's kind of hampering my gig. Alright, let me go ahead and pop this chain. Alright, I was ready to. I got the chain popped off at the front of the bike, the front sprocket. And I should be able to go ahead and just pull this back tire. Oh, I gotta just get the brakes undone too. Not done yet. I'm gonna loosen up the brake cable so it opens up, and then I could slide the tire out of there. Alright, so the brake is disengaged completely, and I should be able to pull the tire out now. Voila! Oh. Yes, the bike is hanging from my ceiling. Front tire is on a chair, the bar stool. The back tire is hanging from the ceiling because this is small barn, small shop. Alright, so my tire is a disaster. It's filthy dirty. It needs scrubbed. All this surface rust I want to get off all my spokes. So I'll be back at you when this thing is like brand. Oh, look at it. It's got fish string on it. You know, that's where that went. Alright, so for the most part I got the rim cleaned up, the tire cleaned up, all my spokes. I mean, some of this isn't going to come off, but a lot of it came off and it looks pretty presentable. So I am going to get this clamp taken apart, and let's see, I think it's this one here. This works out. I got two other old Schwinns. I got a Man Ray and a with a Springer front end and a Orange County chopper So I would imagine that I'm gonna have to sandwich these. And this comes with a piece of rubber. Alright, I need 6 more hands and a hot blonde. Alright, I think I'm set up. The kit came with this little piece of rubber. It says Mugu Gai Pan. Okay. Gotcha. This is going to be real interesting. I wonder why the there's not enough rubber to go all the way around. Oh, maybe there is. Sorry you can't see nothing, but neither could I. I'm just going. I'm doing this by feel. It sucks. It's going to cover up my Stingray sticker. I wonder if this will work without this piece of rubber. This is not easy here. Alright. I gotta figure out a better way to do this. I'm gonna come in from the bottom with this piece. And then I'm going to set this bearing or bushing on that. And then I'm going to... Oh, you got to be shitting me. I have the bottom one on fucking backwards. Alright, back out. See, it's got this little indent right there. See that indent? This side doesn't have an indent. And you want the indent facing you. I imagine, since I don't have no fucking instructions for nothing. It's cool. It's Curtis. Oh, come back to me. That doesn't really fit on there good. Alright, what's this other thing? Oh hell no, this don't fucking fit. Alright, so this is a bummer. I bought both of these. This one I was going to put on the blue Schwinn, and this one I was going to put on a GT or a Trek. This is for the 1 inch to 1.5 inches. 1 inch to 1.5 inches. I need the 1.5 inches to 1.25 inches bushing. This on the tire is an 1.25 inch hub. After further analysis. So I need to order a new bushing, and I'm gonna go get on eBay right now and order that. I had to order a bunch of other things anyways, so I guess for right now, other that or I change bikes. This fits on a Schwinn Frontier I have. It fits on a GT mountain bike. It fits on I have 2 Trek touring bikes, small tire, small 28-inch tire, small rim, small tire Treks. Super awesome bikes. Either that or I change and don't put it on this bike and save this for a future build, or I move on to something else. I don't know, folks. If you got anything to say about this, throw it in the comments. Have a good day.